Pareño. By surname Pareño, uh, when you type it in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, you will see the red line, key to corrections. When you click the right button, you will see the nearest word or the computer thought when that I misspell the word is the first word is parents, and you will see the spelling of parent parents is P-A-R-E-N-O-R-E, while Pareño is P-A-R-E-N-E-O. Just means all surname. I did so good that all surname around the world are a father of the clan. If you focus on the letter N of the Pareño, the word N, you will know that it comes from España. España, the N of España, or Spain. España. Spain or España was is the oldest city of the world. The oldest city of the world. And it's very rich in history. One of the greatest world achievement or world world the world had to owe to Spain was the religion Catholic, the Catholic religion, or Christianity. Catholic religion. When Spanish colonization occurred, the Spaniards sponsor an Italian named Christopher Columbus, who discovered America. Yes, Christopher Columbus discovered. Christopher Columbus is also the person who first in history recorded place in history, because we really don't know if someone made it in the ancient times. So Christopher Columbus did made his name place in history for the first person who fully traveled the whole world. He proved that the world is not flat. He proved that the world is round. And if you travel the seven seas, your ship will not fall, but you will revolve the planet Earth. And his theory or his idea is true, proven true. And one of the country that he discovered, the land, was America. It's now what he called America. Spain or Spanish or Hispania sponsored his travel, but not that easy. For his belief is contradictory to the belief of the old world. The people believe Even scientists believe that the world is flat, and almost all people believe that. So one of his fighters sponsor him, and he has a lot of men, and through him a lot of Spanish colonization took place around the world. One of them is now Manila, Philippines. The thing is, the world owes Hispania or Spanish country, but the entire civilization. For Spain, they make people educated and make people religious. Before, a lot of people around the world are natives and territorial type of humans. When you go to their territory, uh, almost a lot of times you will die. No one invades territory that's another territory that is, except for instances. So the Spaniards did teach native people their religion, Catholicism, to make them calm, to make them not that barbaric or not that to make them civilized, to wear clothes, to have roads and have churches, teach young people how to pray, that there is only one God, but and the Spaniards managed to be the, according to world history, Spaniards Spaniard managed to be the number one richest country of the world, the richest country of the world, because of their technology in gold. Those early times they had technology in gold. They love gold. They love God. They love gold. They love glory. So they did manage to colonize almost all the world, all countries around the world except for England, British England, according to world history. British is British soldiers were a lot, so plenty of them. But Spaniards back up the Irish, one of the English colony. The Irish don't want Great Britain to. They have a little quarrel in territorial issue. So the Spanish back up Irish to resist Britain. Both Queen Elizabeth I and King Philip II of Spain and Queen Elizabeth I died after that war. So all countries around the world being colonized by Spain except for England. But as for me, I did so our surname Pareño in England, in Britain. The six wealthiest family gathered there. You could search link Pareño in Europe. You'll see Pareño's top secret is family in England, and the princess and princess of England, you will see Pareño, one of its former prince and princesses. So as we see, uh, more like and now Europe, there is what we call European Brotherhood. It just means they more like the Brotherhood, more like they know the thing called with once you go up, you must go down. So they make Great Britain, England as the stuff. The left or the downwards, and make the riches of the gold or the golds hidden on the third brother of Europa. And if you pronounce Europa backwards, you will see, I mean, spell Europa backwards, or more developed, you will see Parejo, or like Parejo, more like I'm more like a waffle. Forgive me for being rude, but I'm a waffle with my surname. There's a lot of my surname that drives me insane. I'm not insane, but it's more like I love it. I love my surname. So it's been Mar Antonio Pareño of Clan Pareño. Bye guys, God bless.